Hey, it's Ashley. Today on the Laboratory Testing Customer Portal, I'm going to show you how to view your open order status report. This will allow you to see every open order that we have in-house, as well as its progress throughout laboratory testing. On the main screen of the Customer Portal, at the very top, you'll see a section that says Open Order Status Report, and to the right-hand side, it says Excel or PDF. That's how you'll download the copy of the file to be able to view. So if I click Excel, and we'll wait for it to download, and then I'm going to go ahead and open that up for you. And this is what your open order status report will look like. You'll have a column for your purchase order number, your LTI customer order number, your customer name, the order date, the order status, a tracking number if the order has completed and it is shipped from our facility, the date the material was received, and the target completion date. Then you'll also see your salesperson IDs. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to see the receiving status, contract review status, machining status, testing status, reporting status, and shipping status. As your order moves through LTI, you'll see that these columns will update with the live status. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos of the features of the Laboratory Testing Customer Portal.